IWT Wireless Solutions increase safety, efficiency, and productivity over a single, fully integrated digital network that is expandable as your operation grows. Our self-forming infrastructure consists of rugged nodes that wirelessly relay communications, continuous location tracking, and data from machines and sensors in a seamless flow between underground and surface operations. As a self-healing network, the data is automatically rerouted with zero downtime. Best of all, the network will continue to operate even in emergency situations. IWT networks offer a higher RF propagation for greater distances between nodes than any other wireless system on the market, and, with no cables to break, reduced maintenance costs for life. IWT's wire-free infrastructure allows communication in more areas of the mine, including temporary work sites. This allows for faster installation and total recovery of devices for redeployment in other areas. IWT networks are completely scalable to fit any mining operation, offering voice communications, text messaging, high-speed data, continuous location tracking of personnel, equipment, or assets, equipment health data, gas and atmospheric monitoring information, third-party sensor data, real-time productivity reporting, workflow analysis for improved operational efficiency, mine rescue voice and tracking, and other custom-engineered solutions, all in one connected network. Connected mines have realized productivity gains from equipment utilization, inventory tracking, reduced maintenance downtime, lower IT cost of ownership, workforce efficiencies, and production improvements. With modular capabilities, customers can purchase the options they need today and add additional features as the operation grows and changes. Always thinking, always solving, always innovative. Start the conversation today at IWTwireless.com.